everybody, I'm Bryce. I work here at CRKT and I got a new knife from Philip Booth to show you. This is the Minnow. We've been working with Philip Booth for a number of years. We've had a couple really cool knives with him. Recently the Rip Snort comes to mind, and we're very excited to have a new model and an automatic. Philip Booth is very well known for his automatic blades, and so we were very excited to partner with him and get one of those, and also partner with Hogue to create this product here in the United States. So starting off with the Minnow, up front we have a MagnaCut blade that'll have great all-around performance. It has a sheepsfoot Wurmcliffe blade, which Philip really wanted to connect back to his other models, such as the Rip Snort, kind of give it that sort of cleaver blade overall. Further back on the scale, we're going to have a steel bolster followed by a micarta scale. This kind of combo of bolster and material is really very Philip Booth. If you go look at some of the other work we've done with him, you're going to see similar sort of design DNA. Around the back, we have a really great simple pocket clip, just really solid metal on metal. It's going to slide over pant material well. Overall, just a really cool automatic blade that's going to be deployed using the button launch there. The blade itself is under 2 inches, which is great news for a lot of us. Really cool little knife. It looks a lot like Philip's Custom. That's what we always try to do here at CRKT. We take designers' customs and make them much more available for you guys. And I think this one looks a whole lot like the Custom, which is really cool. So we're very excited again to be working with Philip Booth. This knife is the Minnow.